Elkan Abramowitz is a Maine white-collar crook protection legal professional skilled in managing civil and crook things in country and federal court docket for character and company clients. He has constructed his profession as a trial attorney representing prestigious customers who have fallen into excessive stakes non-public and expert crises each in and outdoor the courtroom. Among his many honors, Elkan has obtained the Milton S. Gould Award for Outstanding Oral Advocacy introduced by way of the Office of the Appellate Defender, the New York Council of Defense Lawyers Norman S. Ostrow Award for the Protection of Liberty, and the Renovation of Man or Woman Rights, the New York Law Journal's Lifetime Achievement Award, and the Police Athletic League's Robert M. Morgenthau Award. He used to be additionally chosen by means of Chambers USA, America's leading lawyers for business, to obtain its Lifetime Achievement Award, and has been named a leading attorney via Chambers USA in the vicinity of litigation, white-collar crime and government investigations each and every 12 months when you consider that Chambers' 2003 launch in the United States. He has been described as an unquestioned dean of the subject, with an amazing aggregate of experience, talent, and composure, and knee of the first-rate trial legal professionals in the nation. In addition, Benchmark Litigation, the definitive guide to America's leading litigation firms and attorneys, awarded him Trial Lawyer of the Year as nicely as a top 100 trial lawyer in America, a top 10 practitioner, and a litigation star in the region of white-collar crime, enforcement, investigations. Elkan is listed as a leading lawyer and a leading trial lawyer in white-collar criminal defense through the Legal 500 United States. Elkan was once named a white-collar MVP of the Year and Trial Ace by using Law 360, and a white-collar crime trailblazer by using the National Law Journal. He is identified through Best Lawyers in America in Bet the Company Litigation and Criminal Defense, White Collar. In addition, Who's Who Legal, the international Who's Who of business lawyers, named Elkan one of 8 most highly regarded individuals. Elkan has been described in that e-book as a superb strategist and tactician who has represented a host of standard folks and corporates over the path of his illustrious career to date. He has additionally been constantly protected in Thomson Reuters' Super Lawyers and named to its top 100 list. Elkan grew to become a Maine at a predecessor association to Morgenthau Abramowitz in 1979. He used to be appointed Special Deputy Commissioner of the Department of Investigation for the City of New York in 1990 to check out an inventory switch by way of Mayor David Dinkins to his son. He served as suggestions to the Special Master in the Garment Corps antitrust case in 1992. Elkan has additionally served as Assistant Deputy Mayor for the City of New York, as a Special Counsel to the Select Committee on Crime for the U.S. House of Representatives, and as the Chief of the Criminal Division in the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York. He is a Fellow of the American College of Trial Lawyers and a former Director of the New York Council of Defense Lawyers. He is additionally a member of the New York State and American Bar Associations, the New York City Bar Association, and the Federal Bar Council. Elkan is a co-author of Each Corporate Sentencing Under the Federal Guidelines, a chapter in the treatise White-Collar Crime, Business and Regulatory Offenses, and the White-Collar Crime column in the New York Law Journal. Elkan Abramowitz is a Maine white-collar crook protection attorney skilled in managing civil and crook things in kingdom and federal courtroom for character and company clients. Elkan Abramowitz is a Maine white-collar crook defense lawyer, skilled in managing civil and crook things in nation and federal court docket for character and company clients. He has constructed his profession as a trial attorney representing prestigious purchasers who have fallen into high-stakes non-public and expert crises each in and backyard the courtroom. Elkan grew to become a primary at a predecessor association to Morgenthau Abramowitz in 1979. He was once appointed one-of-a-kind Deputy Commissioner of the Department of Investigation for the City of New York in 1990 to check out an inventory switch with the aid of Mayor David Dinkins to his son. He served as tips to the different grasp